bought it, whip, got it, job, on it. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, my mom is going to be installing y'all these distressed locks. They have curly tips and they're 22 inches long, and y'all, I got them in 99J. I usually stick to like a 1, 1B, or 2 when I get like individual braids, locks, twists in my hair. But I was like, you know what, we're gonna step out of the box today, and I tried the 99J, and I actually really like how it looks with my hair, because my hair is like a natural 2. It's like a 2 color, off brown, off black, not off brown, off black color. So the 99J, it actually still blended pretty well. So yes, I did get my mother to install these. She was super sweet to go ahead and do that for me. So I have 6 packs of these. They are by the Authentic brand. Also, I want to say a huge thank you to SamsBeauty for partnering with me and sending over these locks, you guys, so that I could bring you this video and show you how to install these locks, or how my mom is going to install them, shall I say. So these are crochet braids. So we do have the little crochet tool to use. You can find this on SamsBeauty's website as well. They do have the crochet tool, but you can also find it at your local beauty supply store. You can probably just Google it or get it off Amazon or wherever you prefer. Just type in crochet hair tool and I'm sure it will come up, and they're super duper cheap. So yeah, I have 6 packs of these twists. There's about 24 strands in each pack. It's actually a really quick hairstyle. Usually, you know, if you get like individual braids, like they start with like braiding hair, it usually takes them about probably like 6 to 8 hours depending on how fast the person moves. But this hairstyle, my mom was able to get these in my hair literally in probably like an hour, maybe under an hour. It's a super quick way to get you a different hairstyle in your hair, and then it's a type of hairstyle that brings you a bunch of different styles. I'm going to show you 4 different styles today, y'all. You can also do plenty more than just the basic ones that I'm going to show you. But yeah, that's why I really like individual twist braids or locks. But I also really love when they are crochet, because that makes it super duper easy to put them in. So yeah, so we're just going to continue to watch my mom finish off my hair, and then I'm going to come back in and show you guys the different styles. Okay, so the first time I'm going to show you is just my hair straight down, nothing special, just all down, so you can see what it looks like, how long it is on me, what the color looks like, give you guys an up close look of that, see how the ends look. They're super duper curled, they keep the curl. Now these twists have been in my hair for about 7 days, I think, or 8 days, I'm not really sure. So I am going to go with my edge control and just kind of fix some of my edges a little bit. I have very thin edges and they are pretty hard to grip, and my mother or myself, we are not professional hairstylists. We make it do what it do with what we got, and I really love how she did a great job. It came out super well. I just added some edges just to make it look a little bit more what is the word I'm looking for? Not wearable, because it looks wearable, but you know, just so I don't look like I'm like cuckabug at the edge area, because my hair curls up and it looks very natural. So once I put the edge control on there, it was ready to go. So then I'm going to show you a second style, which is just going to be some of my hair up and some down. So half down, up and down look. One of my go-tos for sure whenever I have twists or locks or braids. And then also I'm going to show you a high ponytail. And I wrap around a piece of the twist in the back just so it hides my rubber band piece, so all that won't be visible. then I'm also going to show you my second fave, which is the top knot bun. I love when I have like really long locks, twisted braids in my hair, and I put them up in a bun. I really love the big bun that sits on my head. It makes my head look smaller because my head is really large, you guys. So yeah, I showed you those hairstyles. So that's all I got for y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video. If you want some of these locks, I do have the link in my description bar below, so you'll be able to get you some. Thank you again to SamsBeauty for partnering with me to bring you guys this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate y'all, and thank you to my mom for doing my hair, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye y'all.